Well, that's not going to work. Falling over here. Clearly, we don't have fancy camera stuff. Welcome through myopia insight to the tetrahedron system. I want to talk to you about the way that altars work. The way that they actually. I don't know what all they do, but they're hard to catch sometimes. And I want to talk about plants in relationship to this. Now, you might want to take a little notes because these are fascinating plants if you haven't heard of them before and beautiful. When I lived in Hawaii, all along the beautiful volcanic rock wall by Punahou School, where my mother got us into, same school that Barack Obama attended, there were these beautiful plants, like cactus-y looking plants. And they had these, like, you never saw the flowers unless Mama would drive us down there at night. And then gorgeous white, beautiful flowers would come out of these cactuses every night. And that's called the night blooming cereus. Okay, there's another plant I want you to consider, and it is called the sensitive plant. In Hawaii, it was a weed, man. It was a sticker bush, okay? We didn't want to be stepping on that stuff because it's like these stickers out here, but the leaves would go, like, if you touched them, they would all fold up like this. Shy, sensitive. And then the other one I wanted to talk about was, I'm pretty sure we'll go into the animal kingdom here. It is a sea anemone, which kind of like when it's not flowering, it looks like a big dick, kind of waving a flaccid dick in the water. Just saying. I've been scuba diving. We have been scuba diving a long, long time ago on the Pacific Ocean. It was lovely. And so anyway, there's these plants that attach themselves to the rocks, and they have this like flower that comes out of the center of the dick. But if you go anywhere by there, they'll pull back in. It's kind of like some of the altars. They like really be shy. And then the other one I want you to consider is and you may have one. We have one. We had two, but one got out and now it's somewhere in the shell in the house. Have you ever had a hermit crab? Boy, they like to hide. Yeah, they'll like, if you shake them a bit, then maybe, well, if you hold them upside down, they really they want to come out, but they don't really want to come out very much, right? So yeah, that's kind of like altars. I just thought I'd say that in case you didn't know. And we're not be saying like, what's your name, because when you know somebody, or when you be in a neighborhood around somebody and you've seen them around, you don't be going like, now, what was your name again? So I can't really tell you everybody's name. But altars are that way, like night blooming cereus, some of them. They seriously only come out at night. Anyway, I'm not as lonely as I used to be, and I do have a therapist that I'm going to be working through the trauma with, and I just am enjoying discovering us. We are just enjoying discovering our plurality. And that's what we got to say right now. Is that ever cool? Thank you. Adiosi.